I don't need a promise written in the sky. Don't need forever carved in stone to know you're mine. You're not a moment, you're the only truth I see, and loving you is all I'll ever need. I've seen fire fade and rivers turn to dust, but I still believe in us, I still believe in trust. Through every storm and every doubt, I'll stand right here, I'm not walking out. You don't have to ask, you'll never need to guess. This heart is yours, no more and never less. I love you till the sun burns out, till the stars go dark and the lights give out. When the world stops turning, when the sky falls down, I'll still be standing, holding you now. Through every breath, through every vow, I'll love you till the sun burns out. When we're older and the years have changed our names, when the fire's a little softer but the love's the same, you'll still be the only home I know, and I'll still be right here, never letting go. This love won't